Okay, folks, there's not a lot of light here, but I think we'll be fine. This is Jim. Uh-oh, Jim has to get his funnel. Okay, so anyway, I have to prime this pump, so we have it back together. This is the next day. I let that sealant and stuff harden and all like that, so let the sealant stuff seal. Anyway, so I always forget, so I don't want it to, so I flick up that thing there. Oh, and then I'll prime this with a little bit of water and see what happens here. So here comes the water, everybody. Now, I don't know if that's enough or not, but that's what we have. So far, anyway. So we close this up, and then we're going to give it a pull and see if that hose starts filling up or not. We'll see. Nothing, but every now and then it takes a little bit, and maybe I need to reprime it. But I'll do that. We'll get back. Probably can't even hear me, can you? So sometimes it takes a little priming. Sometimes it takes off. Oh, it just took off, I believe. Sounds like it. Oh yeah. There you go. See that? That's whipping. But we only want white water. We don't want to go down too far. So there you go. We did it! Yeah!